Hello everybody, welcome back. And today we're working on a 2014 Toyota Camry SE model with the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. Um, Today we're dealing with a slow crank, which means they turn the key and it takes a while for it to turn the vehicle on, to turn over. I tested the battery at a local parts store and the battery is bad. So let me get to it. And I love these Toyotas because everything is just basic little, if you can see that, 10 millimeter. You'll have to start off by taking this bracket off, then the terminals, pull the battery right out and swap in the new one. So let me start doing that. Okay. Bracket's already loose. Loosen that. Loosen that. It's pretty simple, folks. As you can see, I've already got it all set up in there. You just got to put everything back the way it was. Now I see why they put it on top of the handle there last time. Now that it's all loose, just make sure it's still hooked in the back there. This is going to take two hands, so let me put this down for a second and I'll button it up. All right. So now just tighten it up. Put everything back the way it was. Loosen it up a little more so I can get it in there good. Remember, everything here is lefty loosey, righty tighty. So make sure it's not turning or playing, and there you go, new battery. This is the new 2ARFE, the inline 4 2.5 liter. Now I might be able to convince this person to let me do a few more videos with this, because it does need headlights restore. Somebody did the hood. They repainted the hood and they made a big mess with overspray and stuff like that. So as you can see, they buffed it out, but they didn't clean up after themselves. But they left a lot of overspray and stuff, so I got to make a video on how to clay it, how to get the overspray off the glass and stuff like that. So it's all set to go. Let me run inside and see if it cranks up. Brand new almost. Sorry, I turned the key fast on that one. RPMs are okay. Let me turn on some accessories and see what happens. That's typical with the RPM there. Turn up the fan speed. No drop in RPMs. Yeah, that initial start was just, I didn't turn the key all the way, even though it seemed like it. I mean, it's a cool little Camry. It's got paddle shifters and stuff. I mean, it's not a race car, but it's a Camry. This thing will keep on ticking. You can see the SE models have that fog lights and has a more of aggressive bumper and side skirts and rear bumper. It's not the V6, so there's no dual exhaust or stuff like that. Still, it's a Toyota Camry. You're not going to go wrong buying one of these. Corolla Camry, or one of its more luxurious models, the Lexus brand. Pretty cool little car. Now don't forget, people, like, subscribe, you know what I mean, and I'll be posting up a video this weekend of the neglected Audi, so I'll be seeing you guys then. Thank you. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and be nice to each other. I mean, we're having a tough time in the whole country right now, and last thing we need is a bunch of bullies. So please be kind to each other, be nice. And if you have a little sliver left on any videos you have watched, please watch again. Watch them to their entirety. I guess it matters. So for the benefit of other YouTubers, and without you guys, we don't exist. So, you know, help them out. Complete the watching of the videos and hit their likes and subscribes, you know. And if you have your own channel, or if you know somebody that has their own channel, comment on the bottom. Give me the address on it, and I'll check it out. And if it's valid and if it's got good stuff in there, then I'll promote it on this channel. And I'll even give you a heads up. I'll give anybody a shout out as long as they're willing to hook me up. You know how this game is. Alright guys, this is slightly short, so hope to see you guys around. Thank you.